Everyone, my name is Sanya Mahajan. I am a legal intern in Lexis Company, and today's topic of mine is upon the Article 19 of the Indian Constitution, which state about the right to freedom of the Indian citizen. Article 19 states about the freedom of speech and expression, freedom of assembly, freedom of association, freedom of movement, freedom of residence, and freedom of trade and occupation. And therefore, we are now discussing about it. Article 19 is the most important and the key article which embodies the basic freedoms. Till now, there were around seven right of freedom, but now it has changed to number 6, and that is the right of freedom of speech and expression, assemble peacefully without arms, association or union, freely move within the territory, reside and settle accordingly, which has been omitted by 44th Amendment Act, and the practice of any profession. However, freedom of speech and expression is not absolute as per now, but there are 8 restrictions on the freedom of speech and expression, and there are must respect to the sovereignty and integrity of the country. Therefore, for that restriction has been provided. Firstly, that is the security of the state, friendly relation with the foreign states, public order, decency and morality, defamation, incitement to offense, then for sovereignty and integrity. So these 8 restrictions were embodied in their current form in the Constitutional First Amendment Act or a bill, that is 1951, and Article 19 of the Indian Constitution provide freedom of speech, that is which is respect to the right to express one's opinion freely without any fear, thorough oral, written, electronic or broadcasting press, and the constitution does not make any special or specific reference to the freedom of press, and thus which we come to know that every person or the Indian citizen who is living in India has the right to keep his opinion in front of everyone, and which must be a logical one. And here are some landmark judgments related to the freedom of expression. Firstly, there is Ramesh Thapar versus State of Madras, where freedom of speech and of a press laid at the foundation of all the democratic organization for freedom, free political discussion, no public education or no so essential for the proper functioning of the process of popular government. And there was Menka Gandhi's case, and in Union of India 1978, where the freedom of speech and expression has no geographical limitation, and it carries with it the right of citizen to gather information and to exchange thoughts with other, not only in India but also in abroad. And thereafter there is Prabha Dutt versus Union of India case 1982, and Supreme Court directed the superintendent of Tihar jail to allow representatives of a few newspapers to interview Ranga and Bila, the death sentence convicted to them, as they wanted to be interviewed. Thereafter, there is the case of Indian Express versus Union of India 1985 case. Press plays a very significant role in a democratic machinery, and the court has the duty to uphold the freedom of press and invalidate all the laws and administration action that enrich the freedom, which stops the freedom of press. So there was a decision related to it, that freedom of press was given very importance to them. And thereafter the freedom of assembly is there. The constitution guarantees right to hold meetings and take the proceedings, and the proceedings and the meetings should be unarmed and peacefully. There is the freedom of association. The constitution declares that all the citizens will have the right to form association and union as per the Indian constitution. And freedom of residence, that a person has in this. Then there is a trade and occupation, which a person can decide for every business he want to start in a country. So guys, this was all about the Article 19 of the Indian Constitution, which states about the freedom of right of speech and expression. And if you need any information related to it, please do write in a comment section, and please do subscribe this channel Access.